Hey guys, thank you for stopping by the VZ channel. So you may be wondering, what the hell am I doing here? Well, I'm interested to go into these kind of places because you don't find an opportunity to find something like so raw in China. Everything which is being built or destroyed is usually very protected, so you can't go inside. So this is kind of a fun little playground for me right now. But what is it? This used to be a theme park back in 2002, and in the 90s, in the suburbs of Shanghai, there have been built many different kind of theme parks. This was an American themed one. Yet I think nobody used it, so it quickly became abandoned, and finally now this year in 2021 it's being destroyed. It will soon, I guess, be apartment buildings just like those ones. So this is kind of the last breaths of this place. Let's go and find what's still left of it. I saw a Facebook post just 2 days ago of a guy visiting this place, and some buildings were still intact. I'm going to show you some pictures by him, not by me. And just 2 days later, let's see what's left of it. I don't understand something. Why they break the building like this, leave it like this, and then come back, destroy it a bit more? Why not just finish the job? They remove the wall, right? So this wall is gone, so the roof is fall down, and then what's going on? Why leave it like this? Who has the answers for me? What you think of this place so far, guys? You want to come and play? I'm not recommending this officially. It's a bit dangerous here, so go at your own risk. If I recommend you to come here, I might get in trouble. Guys, you see how fast they're working here, destroying house by house, and then soon all this will be covered up. Pretty soon it will be like those, like it's never been here. Very quick and efficient. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.